Hey there, it's Evelyn. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and exploring the top 3 trending coins as of May 19, 2023. Keeping up with the latest trends and market movements is crucial for making informed decisions in this rapidly evolving industry. According to CoinMarketCap's list of most searched crypto coins, the current top 3 trending cryptocurrencies are Pepe, Sway, and KEK. These coins have been capturing the attention of investors and enthusiasts alike, driving the crypto market's buzz. Notably, Pepe has been leading the pack, maintaining its popularity throughout the week. Inspired by the iconic internet meme Pepe the Frog, this cryptocurrency has witnessed an astonishing price surge of 5 million%, making it a topic of conversation among crypto investors. It's important to note that the crypto landscape is highly dynamic, with trends shifting rapidly. Staying informed and up to date with the latest market movements empowers you to make data-driven decisions in this ever-changing environment. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started in the crypto space, keeping an eye on these trending coins can provide valuable insights. Remember to do your own research and exercise caution before making any investment decisions. And that's a wrap on today's discussion of the top 3 trending cryptocurrencies. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of cryptocurrencies. Until next time, this is Evelyn signing off.